guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a first impression slash review video on a product that I recently purchased, which is a Makeup Revolution Illuminator, which is a Skinkiss Goldenkiss Illuminator. So if you want to know what I feel about this product, please keep on watching. Before we start with this video, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell notification so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now this is one of the products that has been loved from so many people, and gold highlighter illuminator is something that really suits me. So I got this. There are so many shades in this illuminator. There is Ice Kiss, there's Peach Kiss, and Golden Kiss. This is a new edition. There is gold edition as well. This is the Golden Kiss Illuminator, which looks something like this. The packaging for the previous edition, it used to come in a cardboard box. This is a new edition and it doesn't have any package. At least I don't think there is any. I ordered this off of Amazon. The product came out scratched. I don't know whether it was used or not because it didn't feel like it is used, but then the package was, the lid was completely scratched, and I tried to return the product, but they were not accepting returns for this particular product. I know. So this is a plastic packaging, which is a see-through lid, and it's a pretty big huge product, to be honest. It's a little bigger than my palm also, I feel like. I'm really happy about the quantity of the product, and also the color is really pretty. As the name says, it's a very nice golden highlight, and it retails for rupees 850, I guess. On Amazon it was for 615 rupees. Now I'm gonna take some kind of brush. I haven't used any highlighter. Where is the highlighter? I feel like the brush is not picking up the product. Let's try it in hand. Oh no, it is picking up. It adds such a pretty glow. It's like a healthy glow. If you want a little more intensity, you can definitely build this product up. I am just going for like 1-2 layers. I don't know if it is the brush or the highlighter. The product is not really transferring into brush that much. The hand is a better way. It's not chunky, it doesn't sit in your pores, it just adds like a natural glow. I really love how it is looking on my skin right now. This can be used for everyday purpose. This can be used for parties, because as I already said, you can build this product up and intensify. This is one of the best illuminators so far. I really like this. I'm gonna show a quick little swatch. This has like a little bit of yellow undertone. That's why it's called Golden Kiss, I believe. Now the downsides, like all the other products, it's not easily available offline. It has paraben, please keep that in mind. If you have like my skin tone, like a little bit on the duskier side, this is gonna look amazing. The formula is very soft and buttery. And the product quantity is also really great. I have heard a lot of reviews, a lot of people talking about this. I really wanted to try it by myself, and now that I have tried, I love this product. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope this review was helpful. If you're interested and looking to buy a new illuminator, you can definitely check this out. There are so many shades in this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful, and leave a like and comment and all of that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!